Yeah, we don't want it to look boring. I get you.
The monkeys have red hair on their butt.
I think the monkeys that have red butts don't have any hair on their butts. But there are monkeys that have red hair. I think it doesn't matter. It's your monkey. You can make it a red-butted, red-haired monkey if you want.
Well, there's hair on everywhere on the monkey.
Yeah.
I think in real life there's red hair. I'm pretty sure on their butts.
Okay.
Red-butted monkeys. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. In real life. We have to go to the zoo again for me to know.
We'll take you to the zoo anytime you want. We could go today if you want.
Yeah, but we have to see red-butted monkeys. So
We'll go look. Well, yeah, we'll go look for the red-butted monkeys. Do you remember what they're called?
no.
Didn't Daddy say mandrill?
Yeah, mandrill.
Well, what's going on?
We can't find the brown workers.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why do I find that hard to believe, Bowman?
I can't find the brown workers, Mom.
Is that because your eyeballs are closed, Angel?
No. I can for sure can't see it, Mom. Look. Look everywhere.
You want me to look for you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, am I your slave?